Today we have muddy animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a camel.
And on his farm he had a cow.
This is a camel.
With a here and a there, here a there a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
A panda. This is a panda.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had
A frog.
pig.
This is a frog.
With a here and a there, here a there a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
A dog. This
E-I-E-I-O.
is a dog. A dog. This is a dog. A horse. This is a horse. A horse. The next animal is alligator. This is alligator. Alligator. The next